And the Blues led out by Patrick Tui Pelotu. Tonight we welcome them to Suva for the first time. Taken 4 years, but it's great to have them at HFC Stadium. Final home game in Suva for this year. They're looking to make it 2 on the trot after their gutsy come from behind win over the Queensland Reds 6 days ago. The game of Super Rugby Pacific in Fiji. Week 13 is underway, and it's the Blues playing in white, kicking off to the team in blue, the Fiji and Drua.
Okay, use it!
Blues being told to use it. Kaeli running it into the traffic.
Advantage, no clear release.
Oh, and then another penalty. Discipline, an early issue for the Drua. An advantage being played here as they continue to attack down the left-hand side. Vinaka goes to ground. Riccatelli tries to burrow his way over. A new advantage offside, and they're dangerously close to the line, but still short. And trying to get it down. The referee on the ground, and he can see it. They got it down, and it is a try to the Blues. They go long. And they go hard now. Hoskins Satutu. Forbes. Benaki. And that's the 22 for the Blues, and Satutu almost through, just straight down to the end by Joe Tamani, but Bowden Barrett floats one over the top, and AJ Lamb is going to be pulled down only 3 or 4 metres out. Here come the Blues, and Vinaka through the dummy. They fell for it. Telfa Vinaka, third start this year. And he has got his first try for 2025 for the Blues. They're in again. And Riccatelli goes to ground. There's the inside ball to Dalton Papali'i with a good, strong run. They bring him down 5 metres out. And they've got numbers out to the left if they can get it there. Oh, there's a penalty.
So it's just that discipline that's just allowing the Blues to sort of play the game and be in that comfortable seat. And here they are with another 3-pointer, just chipping away at that scoreboard.
Drua. And then they ripped it away, but Riccatelli finds Tui Pelotu.
Keep it up! Keep it up! Same ball!
And now Riccatelli comes away with it. 5 out. Vinaka. Choke. Oh, he's oh so close. He's centimetres away.
Don't reach for it!
Satutu passes, and there's another one. And so it is Joshua Fusatua. And aren't they excited because it's Fusatua's first try? Yeah, Fusatua.
Bone! Set! Use it! Slip here, use it!
The Blues. Oh, that's forward, right in front of the referee.
Strong forward. And that's half.
And that is half-time.
What's the message at half-time, and how do you get yourself back into this game?
Go back to the start again, go back to what we're good at, basics, earn the right to go wide, keep defending together and coming up fast and putting pressure on.
They go long to Choke. Good hands. 1-all, 5 out. Riccatelli, he'll go all night. Tui Pelotu driven back in the tackle, but it's still there for the Blues.
Never touched it.
Choke. Barrett. Oh, another Drua player offside. They'll probably go to the pocket before too long. Puts it to her.
Your penalty advantage on.
Lays it back.
Yes.
Tui Pelotu. Vinaka, no fall for the dummy this time. He takes the tackle only a couple of metres out. Pick and go here. And they're over. It is a try to the Blues. So they start the second half
just make
in
sure
great fashion.
Hoskins
And so it is
27
points to nil.
Just make sure that
To break that first line of defence. Here's the kick in the air, and Barrett does well, keeps it on the toe, picks it up, kicks again, and the race is on. AJ Lamb, can he get the bounce? Rico Ioane. Oh, they're only a metre out now, the Blues. Some great skills from Barrett.
advantage, blue offside.
And now blue offside yet again. So AJ Lamb
Last feed, guys.
has a crack.
Coming your way, Jez.
1 metre short. Through the hands they go. And they have numbers out wide, and this one, Daly floats it over. And it's a simple try here for Cole Forbes. He got 2 last week. Yes, there's no Caleb Clark or Mark D'Elia, but Cole says, well, I'll put my hand up.
That was too easy for the Blues.
Thana Kaifata inside the 22. Vasalala finds a new man. Vakalevu. Ikanavelli gives the ball away to Vode. This week he can't reach out, but he lays it back for Vasalala. Numbers out wide. Munda, it wasn't a great pass, but he forces his way over. It's a try to the Fijian Drua. And look at the fans. They are happy.
Monday's broken the drought for this year.
The Blues will keep the pressure on those teams in the top 6 at the moment.
Guys, that's game.
And that is full time. And so the Blues, they go back-to-back in Fiji. They keep their hopes alive in 2025. It's a bonus point victory for the Drua. Well, they gave it everything, but they definitely were out-muscled and outclassed tonight.